Which rice cooker is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but the options can be overwhelming. Today, we're cutting through the noise to help you find the best budget rice cookers that really deliver on flavor and convenience.
Product number 1, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. This little gem is priced quite affordably, and what stood out to me was its programmable digital controls. If you want perfectly fluffy rice every time, this is worth a serious look. The Aroma cooker can handle up to 8 cups of cooked rice, which is perfect for family meals or meal prep. It has settings for white rice, brown rice, and even steaming veggies, thanks to the included steam tray. This is a great feature if you're looking to cook multiple components of your meal at once. Plus, the sensor logic technology automatically adjusts the temperature, ensuring your rice comes out just right every time. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this product for their daily cooking needs. Now, some users mention that the inner pot can be a bit tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, as long as you rinse it right after use, it's really not a deal breaker, especially given the price and performance. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for a family or enjoy hosting meals. Skip this one if you're looking for something incredibly compact, as it does take up some counter space. Overall, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the size of the Aroma bothered you, the next one we're looking at might fit your needs better.
Product number 2, Green Life Rice Cooker. We have the Green Life Rice Cooker, which retails for about $25.97. What caught my eye here is its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot. If you want a healthier cooking option, this one's definitely worth a look. This cooker can prepare up to 6 cups of cooked rice, which is great for smaller families or meal prep. Its compact design means it won't take up too much space on your countertop, which is a huge plus if you're in a tight kitchen. The one-touch operation makes it super easy to use. Just press a button and you're good to go. Also, the removable pot is dishwasher safe, so cleaning is a breeze. Given that over 7,000 units have been sold recently, it seems to be a popular choice. However, some reviews pointed out that the cooking time can be a bit longer than expected. Honestly, if you can plan a little ahead, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It still cooks delicious rice and keeps it warm for you. This is perfect for anyone looking for a simple, healthy option. Skip this one if you need something that cooks large quantities quickly. At this price point, it's a solid investment for any kitchen. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility.
Product number 3, Kasori Rice Cooker. Let's talk about the Kasori Rice Cooker, priced at around $83.32. What really impressed me was its 18 cooking functions. If you want a rice cooker that does a lot more than just making rice, this is definitely worth your attention. This cooker has a capacity of 10 cups, so it's fantastic for larger families or gatherings. The fuzzy logic technology adjusts the cooking process automatically, which means you're less likely to mess up your rice, whether you're cooking jasmine, basmati, or brown rice. Plus, it has a 24-hour keep warm function, ensuring your rice is always ready when you are. With over 7,000 sold, it's clear that people appreciate the convenience this offers. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky on the countertop. I'll be real with you, if you have limited kitchen space, that could be a concern. But if you prioritize versatility and functionality, this is still a great option. This is perfect for home cooks who want to experiment with different dishes. Skip this one if you need something compact and straightforward. For the price, it delivers excellent value, especially for those who love to cook. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact, the next product might just be what you need.
Product number 4, Elite Gourmet Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet ERC003BX electric rice cooker, priced at just $19.99. This one caught my attention because it's incredibly affordable and user-friendly. If you want a simple solution for cooking rice, this could be the one for you. This rice cooker can make 6 cups of cooked rice, which is plenty for small families. It features an automatic keep warm function, so you don't have to rush to serve. The non-stick aluminum inner pot makes it easy to clean, and it even comes with measuring cups for perfect rice every time. Given that it's sold over 6,000 times recently, it seems to be a favorite for many. On the downside, some users noted that it has a plastic feel. Here's the thing though, at this price point, you have to expect some trade-offs in materials. It still gets the job done and is perfect for everyday use. This is perfect for students or anyone who needs a quick and easy solution for rice. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or durability. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something a little more compact, the last product we'll discuss might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5,
Aroma 3-Cup Rice Cooker. We have the Aroma 3-Cup Rice Cooker, priced at around $19.98. What I love about this one is its size and simplicity. If you're cooking for 1 or 2, this is worth serious consideration. This mini rice cooker can turn 3 cups of raw rice into 6 cups of cooked rice, and it's super easy to use. Just pour in your ingredients, press a button, and you're set. The ceramic pot is easy to clean, which is a huge relief. Plus, it has a keep warm function, so your rice is always ready when you are. With over 3,000 sold, it's a solid choice for those who need something compact. However, some users mention that it's not suitable for larger meals. Honestly, if you're cooking for a crowd, this isn't the best choice, but for individuals or couples, it's a perfect fit. This is perfect for those living alone or couples who don't need a large cooker. Skip this if you often host meals or need to cook in bigger batches. For the price, it's a great deal for small needs.
We've covered 5 great budget rice cookers, each with its own strength. Whether you need a simple, compact cooker like the Aroma 3-Cup or a versatile option like the Kasori, there's something here for everyone. Choose what fits your cooking style and enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time.